Aughton Park. The next one the next station on the line to Ormskirk. It looks quite rural in a way. Nice bunch of daffodils. It does look very rural around here. This part of Ormskirk is dead posh, great big houses, and it's very pleasant. Well, let's go and see. There's got to be a long slope down to the station. I think this is the Liverpool platform, so I should have carried on and gone down to the Ormskirk one. Not as much here as what there was at Town Green. It really is just a couple of platforms with a waiting room. That's the Ormskirk waiting room. There is a little ticket office as well, but really there is not much to say. But it's very pretty. Look at all those lovely trees. When the spring comes out in a few weeks' time, it's going to be so nice. Right, I will catch you all at Ormskirk. Have a good day.